Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to access manual journals in Xero. Manual journals are essential for recording transactions that don't fit into standard categories, like adjustments, corrections, or specific accounting entries that need to be made directly into your general ledger. Let's walk through how to locate and create them step by step. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to login.xero.com. Once you're on the login page, type your Xero account email and password into the fields provided. After entering your credentials, click the login button to access your Xero dashboard. This brings you to the main interface where you can manage all aspects of your accounting. Now that you're logged in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Accounting. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear showing you various accounting-related options. This menu is your gateway to managing all the core accounting functions within Xero, from invoices to reports. Within that expanded menu, locate and click on Manual Journal. This option takes you directly to the section where all your manual journal entries are stored and managed. Here you can view past entries, edit existing ones, or create new journal entries as needed. To create a new entry, click on New Journal. This opens a blank journal entry form where you'll input all the necessary information for your transaction. This is where the actual work of recording your journal entry begins. In the journal entry form, start by clicking the date field and choosing the appropriate date for your entry. The date is important because it determines when the transaction is recorded in your financial statements. Next, move to the narration field and enter a reference. While this is optional, it's highly recommended as it helps you and others understand the purpose of the journal entry when reviewing it later. Now it's time to add the actual transaction details. Enter a description for the line that clearly explains what this entry represents. Then enter the debit amount in the debit column, or if it's a credit transaction, enter it in the credit column instead. After entering the amount, select the associated account from the drop-down menu. Choosing the correct account ensures your transaction is recorded in the right place within your chart of accounts. If your journal entry involves multiple accounts, you'll need to add additional lines. For each new line, fill in the account, description, and either the debit or credit amounts. This is crucial because Xero requires that the total debits equal total credits for the journal to be valid. The system won't let you post an unbalanced entry, so double-check your figures before moving forward. If you have supporting documents like receipts, invoices, or memos that relate to this journal entry, you can attach them for reference. Simply click the Attach button located on the top right corner of the journal fields. This keeps all relevant documentation organized and accessible. Once you've entered all the necessary information and verified that your debits equal your credits, click the Post button to save the journal. This finalizes the entry and records it permanently in your Xero accounting system. Your manual journal is now complete and will appear in your accounting records. And that's how you access and create manual journals in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.